Arjun, are you there? It's coming from the south ridge again.
The roars, they sound terrible.
Arjun knew that tigers rarely vocalized unless they were in serious trouble. He gathered his small team.
Okay, the dart is ready. We approach slowly from the left. Mark, get those cutters ready.
We use the dense cover here and approach from the north.
Confirmed. We have less than 5 minutes before the sedative wears off.
We'll use a low-dose sedative delivered via dart to relax the tiger. The goal is not to fully...
Arjun looked at the tiger one more time before they began. Despite his condition, the animal's dignity remained intact. This was not a broken creature.
She spoke in a low, steady voice. She aimed carefully at the thick muscle of his shoulder and delivered...
Careful now, just this strand.
Got it, Arjun. Cutting now.
Applying the antiseptic here.
Dr. Mira monitored the tiger's vital signs remotely using a handheld device. His heart rate was strong, his breathing deep and even. The tiger's eyes blinked open, adjusting to the light. He lifted his head slowly.